The gentleman from California is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I yield myself such time as I may consume.
The gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to express my support for H.R. 970, the Fairness for Service Members and Their Families Act of 2025. Mr. Speaker, just a few short years ago, we increased the maximum coverage amount under the Service Members Group Life Insurance, or SGLI program, and the Veterans Group Life Insurance, or VGLI program, from $400,000 to $500,000. Prior to that, however, those maximum coverage amounts had not been increased since 2005, clearly failing to keep pace with inflation. To ensure that we are not waiting another decade or more to improve this benefit for our service members and veterans, my good friend, Representative Marilyn Strickland, has introduced this bill, which requires VA to periodically review coverage amounts every 5 years and report to Congress what the level of benefits would be if adjusted for inflation over that period. This will allow Congress to regularly make a more informed decision about whether or not these maximum coverage amounts should be increased. Mr. Speaker, this is common sense legislation that allows Congress to better do our job to support service members, veterans, and their families. This legislation passed the House last Congress, and I encourage my colleagues to support it once again. Thank you, and I reserve the balance of my time.
Gentleman reserves.
Reserve.
Gentleman from Illinois is recognized and reserves. Gentleman from California is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, at this time, I'd like to yield 3 minutes to my good friend and author of this bill. She currently serves on the House Transportation and Infrastructure Committee and the House Armed Services Committee, the gentlewoman from the state of Washington, Representative Strickland.
The gentlewoman is recognized for 3 minutes.
Thank you. Ranking Member Takano, thank you for yielding. I rise to express my support for my bill, H.R. 970, the Fairness for Service Members and Their Families Act of 2025. I first want to thank Chairman Bost and Luttrell, Ranking Members Takano and McGarvey, for working with me to get this bill to the floor. I also want to thank my partners in this effort, Congressman Keith Self and Senator John Cornyn. The Fairness for Service Members and Families Act will help ensure that life insurance benefits for service members and veterans account for changes in the economy. This bill will require the Department of Veterans Affairs to periodically review and report on the maximum coverage available under the Service Members Group Life Insurance and Veterans Group Life Insurance. Accurate and reliable data will allow the VA to make necessary policy adjustments to ensure accurate payments. I have the honor of representing Joint Base Lewis-McChord, home to tens of thousands of service members and their families. Our service members courageously put their lives on the line for our country, and we must secure the well-being of their families and loved ones in the event of a tragedy. Service members' life insurance plans must keep pace with economic demands. A robust life insurance policy can provide a grieving family with the financial security they need to navigate the loss of their loved ones and do so with dignity. The brave men and women who sacrifice their lives deserve peace of mind knowing their families will be taken care of. For nearly 2 decades, the maximum coverage of the Service Members Group Life Insurance and Veterans Group Life Insurance programs have been stagnant, even as the cost of housing, goods, and services have risen over the past 20 years. This bill ensures that these programs are reviewed periodically to verify their value sufficiently and to make sure they're updated to the current CPI, or Consumer Price Index. I urge my colleagues to support this. I want to thank my colleagues for their unwavering commitment to supporting veterans. I look forward to this passing and for it to be signed into law. Thank you, Mr. Takano. I yield back.